Today we have a TWS 40 and new. I bought it from a junkyard. They takes $1 for it. Today we will see what is its problem. In our primary inspection found a problem. Here is two earbuds and you see this one, right one has the charging point 1, 2 and left one has only one pin, another one is missing. So we found a problem in one earbud, but we don't know why the box is dead. Now we will insert the charging cable, see what happened. Micro USB, see LED on, it shows 100% battery charged, but it is not. Right one is immediately start charging, but left one is still dead because of its missing pin. So let's move and see what's inside. We will open the box. How can I open this? Maybe this way? No. Yes, is it? Okay. This is the empty shell. Here is the original thing. Board is very small, battery is small too, but this is positive connection from battery, but negative connection. Where are you? Yes, this is not connected. The negative connection of this battery is not connected with the board. So let's connect it and see what happened. Soldering time, battery positive. This one is battery negative. Okay, battery is connected now. Yes, it is live now. It says 44% battery. So, and no, yes, it takes charge from our internal battery. So I think our body is okay now, working. Why it is discharged so quickly? Oh my god, maybe the battery is bad. Battery condition is very bad. I will give it some charge and we'll see if it works good or not. Okay, no problem. Then our first step is done. We fix the main charging unit and we'll do something for this little earbud. We have to dismantle it. Okay, then oh my god, this 2 pin is broken. This 1 pin is completely missing and another one is ripped off from its board, and I think it will be a challenge for me to repair this. I don't know I can do or not. I will try to use this pin. So now I have to solder 2 wire with this point, charging point, and then solder it with the pin, existing pin, and on another new pin. Let's start. Okay, push 2 solder block and now the wire. This is really hard to do without microscope. Okay, 2 wire is connected. Now 1 wire will connect this original charging pin. Let's move in action. 1 pin is connected and now we'll connect another. This one is connected too. And now we will see, can we assemble it again or there is some issue arise. Our new pin is smaller than original pin and it's trying to play a hide and seek with us. It doesn't want to stay in its position, but we will see how far it can go. Yes, now it is in its position, but we have to use some glue in here so it can stay in its position. Okay, I use super glue, little bit super glue, because if I use adhesive or any other glue, it will take some time for hardening. Okay, we applied our super glue. Now we will assemble it again. Before assembling, we can check is it charging or not. Yes, it is charging and I think we fix it too. Let's move forward. Charging cable connected, is charging. Here is our earbuds. I just repaired the cover. It is also trying to play with us. Why? 1 pin is broken and pins. Oh, I make a mistake. I just desolder a speaker wire. Solder it again. Please do not play any new game. We are already in a game and we cannot fit this case. I don't know why. What's the problem? Because the pin is broken, so I have to use some glue. I think now it will be okay. Looks like it is okay now. 2 bars are charging. Now we will see can it connect with our phone or not. I think battery is weak, so it cannot provide charge to the earbuds. We have to wait for some time to know the truth, fixed or not. So now I will assemble it again, because there is nothing we can do in here. If this battery is dead, I can replace it, but if the earbuds battery is dead, then we cannot do anything, because I have no replacement for this. And also one thing, buying a new battery for the earbuds is not a good idea, because it will cost too high for this thing. Okay, let's assemble it, outer shell and actual thing. Now we will charge it for some time and we will see the result. So after some charging, I can pair this with my laptop and only works this left earbud. Right one, it has no sound, it has nothing, only have some light. So now I will see what is the problem. Is the battery is main issue or the speaker is faulty? Battery has 3 volt, that means it is not completely dead. But how about the speaker? Let's check in continuity mode. Okay, we actually can't measure a live circuit. Okay, I disassemble the speaker from board and now we can check speaker through multimeter. Speaker is okay. So what is the problem? Where is the problem? Yes, speaker is okay. Sorry for blaming you, speaker. Oh, what's the problem? Maybe the battery is weak, but I have no replacement for this. So now I will assemble it again and put it in charge for a few hours. And if it will still in no response condition, then I will reuse this case in another project. Can you remember this? A few days ago I made this rechargeable Node MCU. It has only one Node MCU, but I have a plan for 2 Node MCU in one case. So if this TWS failed, then I will make it a double Node MCU charging case. Okay, thank you for your time.
Next morning, after full night charging, it shows 100%, but when I remove the cable and put them back, it discharges so quickly. That means inside of this case the main battery health is poor, its capacity very low. And one another thing, the left earbud can charge and this one still has no life. After full charge it only shows 30% battery. That means its battery is also weak and its battery is fully dead. It's just taking charge, taking and taking.